Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up a strawberry rum chocolate cream pie at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, for this recipe, some fresh picked strawberries. We got some white sugar. We got some flour. We got a mix of spices. We've got an egg. Here we've got some chocolate, white and dark. We've got some cream. Here we've got some rum. And we've got some more rum, some dark rum. And here we have some pie crust. Now, of course, first thing you're going to do with these fresh strawberries, right, is take off the stem. You know how to do that, right? Look at those. Fresh picked spring, early summer strawberries are the best. Can't have enough of them, right? All right. The strawberries have been cut up to smaller pieces. You probably know how to do this, right? There's never enough strawberry pie. Now, to this, we're going to add a 3/4 cup of white sugar. Give it a mix with your old hick. And the sugar will help sweat out some of the juice in there. Gotta be kidding me. Now, we've got a mix of spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Now, you can head on over to our website and get the exact ingredients, quantities. Of course, that's BBQPitBoys.com. A little bit more of that spice. Perfectly mixed. All you need is an old hick. All right, now we're going to add about a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. This will just simply help thicken up the mixture. Huh? Oh, yeah. Now you're going to take the pie crust. Now you can make your own, of course, but it seems to be a lot easier this way and often just as good. So we lay the pie crust in a 12-inch black iron pan or cast iron pan, and then we'll put some egg wash. Just coat it, just like that. Oh, yeah. Simple enough. And now what you want to do is heat up the crust just a little bit in the pan. This will give you a much better texture for your pie crust. Simple enough. And that only take a few minutes. All right. The pie crust is set up. Took it out of the oven. And now let's pour in the mixture. Oh, yeah. Now, if you've never had a strawberry rum chocolate cream pie before, you're missing something out of your life. It's good. But who says that Pit Boys don't make pies? In fact, we've got several pie recipes. Just go to our website or go to Facebook or YouTube, and you can find several other pies. Now, here comes the good part. We've got some white chocolate. We just break it into small pieces. Now, don't cheat. Start eating the chocolate now. Just leave it for the pie. Simple enough. Of course, there's not really much to say about this, right? So, we're just going to sit back and watch this, too. Now, here we've got some spiced rum. All right? You know about spiced rum. Awesome flavor. I'm going to take a shot. Adds a lot of flavor to this pie. Right. And, of course, we'll follow it up with some dark rum. The real deal. Another shot. Oh, yeah. You know the flavors in this pie are killer. Absolutely awesome. Now here comes the cream. I'm just going to pour it in. Fresh cream. You can use store-bought, unless you got a cow in the barn. All right, she's ready. We're going to throw it in the oven, about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. No different than any pie you make, right? So what's a pie without some whipped cream? So use your handy cream mixer. Throw in another shot spiced rum. Mix it up some more. You just eat the cream. It's good enough. All right. Didn't take long to do. You pull it out when the crust is set up right, and you'll notice that. So grab a few spoonfuls. Take some of that spice rum whipped cream. So this is where Wolfman from our Wolf and Rooster chapter down in New Zealand is eating it in front of us. And he doesn't apologize. So give us a shout out if you can, right? Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, form your own chapter, and head on to our old website to sign up. So the next time you're looking for a good pie recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.